am Muhammad Asif.
My name is Muhammad Syahika Sarizan.
My name is Muhammad Hafizi Muhammad Safi'i. We are from College Professional Kota Tinggi.
Today, we would like to introduce our innovation project called the Smart Energy Saver. Nowadays, many people forget to switch off their electrical appliance, causing electricity wastage and cost high bill. This is common issue in homes, office, and even school.
Introducing the base Smart Switch Panel for home automation. A smart solution designed to save energy automatically, efficiently, and in an eco-friendly way for a more sustainable future. In just a moment, you'll be watching a demonstration video showing how to use the system clearly and effectively. Before we proceed, let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of the base Smart Switch Panel for home automation.